Alright guys, so just a real quick video for this Makita to Hitachi adapter that I bought on Amazon. About 2010 I bought a set of Hitachi tools and they were absolutely amazing and I really liked them. But eventually all the batteries went out. I mean, I got well worth their value out of them. I didn't pay, I got these for a really good price. And but when I went to buy new batteries for them, they were like $100 a piece. And I just couldn't bring myself to bring that much, pay that much. I got a whole brand new set of Makita drills with batteries for about the same price as one battery for these Hitachis. Whenever Metabo took it over, the prices just went up. So these have been sitting around. You can see they're dirty. I just could never bring myself to throw them away, and nobody really wants them because the batteries are so expensive. So what I thought was, I've got all these good, I've actually built a pretty big system of Makita. I've got chainsaws, pole saws, weed eaters, a bunch of different cordless tools. I've got about 10 batteries for Makita, and I thought, you know what, I need to figure out a way to use these. So I found this adapter on Amazon. It really wasn't that much, and I really want to see if it works. So let's see. Well, this is live. We're going to see if it works here. Let's see if this is a 5-amp battery. See how this goes in here. See if I can get it to go in. Okay, that snapped in there fine. Let's see if it'll go on the drill. Goes on the drill, and look at there. Makita battery on a Hitachi drill. 5-amp. I never had any 5 amps for my Hitachis. I only had 1.5 amps, but what I really want to see is this saw, which I got a great deal on. I just bought the tool, but those 1.5 amp batteries really couldn't drive it. Wow, that's as good as that's ever worked there. All right, well, if I ever need extra tools. Alright guys, so there it is. Bam, battery goes on there. Tool goes on there. And I mean, so it brought these old tools back to life. Don't have to throw them away. So guys, there we go. If you were concerned about this battery adapter working, you're no more concerned. It works just fine. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up under the video to let me know it helped you out.